BanColombia S.A. C.I.B. High dividend, low valuation, and strong market positions signal a buy opportunity. BanColombia S.A., NYC C.I.B., the largest commercial bank in Colombia, stands out as a highly attractive investment, particularly for yield-seeking investors. The stock currently offers a dividend yield of approximately 16.3%, with potential to exceed 36% if the bank maintains its recent payout level. Key financial highlights as of April 2025. Stock price $39.02. Dividend per share annual $6.36. Dividend yield 16.29%. Price to earnings ratio PE 6.4. Net income FY 2024 COP 6.3 trillion, up 2.5% year over year. Why C.I.B. is a strong buy market leader. BanColombia is Colombia's largest financial institution, with broad market penetration across retail, commercial, and digital banking. Resilient economy. Colombia's domestic economy remains relatively insulated from global trade tensions and tariffs. Internal demand and a growing middle class continue to fuel stable growth in the banking sector. Consistent profitability. Despite global macroeconomic headwinds, the bank has delivered steady earnings, allowing it to maintain a generous dividend policy. Undervalued stock. With a price-to-earnings ratio of just 6.4 and a dividend yield far above the market average, C.I.B. appears deeply undervalued compared to both regional peers and global financial institutions. Investor confidence. Institutional interest is rising, drawn by the bank's strong fundamentals, consistent performance, and commitment to shareholder returns. Bottom line, BanColombia offers a rare combination of high-income value pricing and long-term growth potential. If the current dividend level is sustained, it not only supports strong cash returns but could also anchor the stock price and attract further investor attention. Verdict C.I.B. is a strong candidate for accumulation, especially for dividend-focused portfolios. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for more stock market tips and updates. From now on, we'll be sharing exclusive insights. Share this with your friends, and happy trading. Disclaimer: please note that we are not licensed investment advisors. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.